All right, guys, the price of XRP coming back down a little bit with the rest of the market. So what can we expect? We're going to break things down for you guys in this video, give you guys some different scenarios here because we did have a nice jump yesterday, all the way up to about $1.63, I think, was it? Yeah, $1.63, $1.64. We're back down to $1.35, down about 7-8% right now in the last 24 hours. So what's next for XRP? Is this just a little bit of a cool down period? Could we retrace further? Well, I mean, we're going to have to watch how this all plays out. I mean, and we are data driven. So we're going to give you guys different scenarios here on how this thing could go. But again, this is not something specific to XRP. It's a much needed correction, in my opinion, here for the rest of the market. The overall market down 3.5%. You could see here a lot of double digit red numbers here for Brett, Bonk, XRP, a lot of the meme coins, Popcat, Dog with Hat, Pepe, Floki, Doge, even Cardano and Sui. Keep in mind, though, Cardano, Sui, XRP, Doge, these things have just been unbelievably hot for the last few weeks. So a pullback is needed. If you miss the boat, you might be looking at an entry here. You might be looking at this as a big opportunity for you because you want to buy on the red, sell on the green, right? This is how, you do it. Even though we always talk about it, it's kind of like reverse psychology, right? But if you have the conviction, you have the balls to buy on the days that it's red, that's where you really make your bread and make your money in crypto. But XRP failed to get to the $2 level. We were talking about, $1.94. Some analysts had put it out there, and we could still jump back up there as we roll into next week. This pullback might be short-lived. But in this video, I want to give you guys some scenarios here and give you guys some key areas to watch in terms of if XRP were to break down or break up, where we could go, right? Where the price of XRP could go in the short term here. So it says here, the inability of XRP to stay above $1.50, which we did break down below that, may indicate a weakening of the buying power or an overextended rally. These actions frequently result in higher volatility as traders reevaluate their holdings. The 150 level is a significant resistance level on the chart. So we did break through it. We weren't really able to stabilize above it, but we got up to 163 yesterday, which I don't think a lot of people thought we'd get there, a week ago. Now, a strong breakout above this range, if we get back up above 150, that is where we could say, hey, it looks like we've got a continuation rally, right? Consistent trading above 160 could certainly pave the way for XRP to make bigger gains. Because again, we went up there and touched like 163, weren't able to close up there though. Yesterday, we wicked up there to 163 and we closed underneath 150 yesterday. Okay, we closed at around 146, and here today coming back down another 7-8%. So we're looking at that $1.50 range. If we can get back there, close above it, then that's a good sign and a good indication that the continuation rally for the bull market or the bullish outlook on XRP short term here looks good, right? So that $1.50 level is important. Now, it says here, this would verify, if we got above 160, it would verify that buyers have really taken back control and that bullish momentum is still present. To the downside, we're looking at $1.30, and if we break that zone, $1.20, and possibly coming down to retest that $1 psychological level. Cardano actually recently broke down below the $1 mark. Now, it didn't get as high as XRP. XRP got up to 163. I think Cardano maybe got up to like 115, give or take. But 130 is still solid right now. We're still holding above it. We did wick down and, picked right back up, though. If you go into the hour by hour here on XRP, you can see we came down to 130 real quick. Actually, we wicked down to like 128, but we are bouncing back up. A lot of it's going to depend on where we close today. So hopefully we can close above that 130 mark. And that should still, at least tell us that, hey, the market's pulling back. It's a healthy correction. Now, if we, close below that number, that 130 number, that could mean that there could be some further downside, back into the, 119, 118 range, give or take here on XRP. And that's where we really started pumping, which was last Thursday. But overall, I think XRP looks really good, especially if you're zooming out, right? Like we always say, when in doubt, zoom out. Like this isn't, a really, really tell of the true story here because we have months, I believe, left in the bull run. So things can change, things can happen. And you know what? There will be pullbacks. There will be corrections. I think it's an opportunity, especially if you have high conviction in things like XRP, Cardano, etc. So we'll be tracking price action here throughout the rest of Sunday. And again, we're really eyeing that 130 level. Can we close above it? That's what we'll be looking at. Now, if you guys do want another tool that can help you make really good decisions in crypto in terms of when to buy and when to sell, it's xtalgo.com. It's my trading indicator, my company. We're actually running an unbelievable discount right now. Use code Black Friday, 32% off. This offer ends tomorrow. Okay, so you guys have limited time on this. You'll never find XTalgo this cheap. It's 32% off any package. That includes the monthly, the quarterly, or the yearly. Use that code Black Friday for 32% off only now until tomorrow. So check that out. Link down below. Appreciate you guys for watching the video. We'll see you guys in the next one.